So setting up the Windows 10 computer to connect to the Windows 10 server was pretty quick and easy. The Mac is just as easy. So what we're going to do is go down and open a new Finder window, and then you'll go into Network, and when you'll go under PC, and you'll find the correct name, or the one with the correct name, and generally you'll have to connect to. I've already connected, and it shows connected as. I wasn't going to show you how to connect to because all it is a connect to button. You'll enter your Windows credentials. For me, I just used my admin credentials, which is what you'll have to do as well. Or if you set it up for another user to access only certain drives or certain files within those drives, then you'll have to they'll have to actually use their credentials rather than your admin credentials, which should be a duh. Okay, so I've made it to where my Mac can see all of the data for my Windows 10 computers. I've made it to where I can see all of my Mac data, which is obvious because, well, this is a Mac. And I've also made it to where it can see all of my public users for my Windows 10 computer. So just like the Windows computer, that was pretty quick and easy to set up and connect to the Windows 10 home server.